Facebook is a goldmine. People are literally building businesses on social media, and one of the biggest platforms for that is Facebook. In this video, I'll tell you the exact business plan that people use to earn $5,000 to $7,000 per month. So watch till the end. I promise you'll thank me. Let's get started. Here are 5 straightforward steps. Step 1. Unlock Pro Mode. Convert your personal account to professional mode or create a new one. A personal account can't run ads, so you can't earn from it. That's why this is the first and most important step to start your journey. After switching to professional mode, you're now building your brand. To keep things legitimate, link both your Instagram and Facebook accounts together. Keep your brand identity consistent. Use the same colors, fonts, and style to stand out from millions of other creators. Step 2. Content creation. Facebook is a goldmine for creators because it gives you options: text, photos, reels, and stories, all in one place. Unlike other platforms where you're limited to one type of content. Link your account with Instagram and other platforms like TikTok. Using a tool like repurpose.io, you can post 3 to 5 times a day from those accounts, or create once and publish everywhere at the same time using social media manager tools. Pro tip: always create vertical videos, not landscape. Landscape videos end up with black bars on the top and bottom, and Facebook's algorithm treats them as low quality. Step 3. Monetization eligibility. 3 simple requirements to hit. 1. 5,000 followers. 2. 1,000 watch hours within 60 days. 3. Age 18 and above. Once you hit all 3, apply for monetization immediately. Don't waste any time. Step 4. Payout details. You need to add your payout details, and this step is critical. Add your bank account details carefully and double-check them before saving. Step 5. Engagement. Here's the part most creators forget. Facebook's algorithm is hungry for quality content, but the algorithm doesn't just know a video is good. It measures it using these 2 metrics. Retention, how long viewers watch your video. Interaction, likes, shares, comments, and follows all impact your video's score. And here's something interesting. Even a negative comment counts as an interaction. The algorithm doesn't judge the sentiment. It just sees engagement and boosts your score. It's all just the social media game of money. Always remember, Facebook is only a goldmine for original creators. Never use copyrighted music, video clips, or any content you don't own. Facebook can demonetize your account for that. If you have any questions or a topic you'd like me to cover, just drop it in the comments.